So greetings to all of you. So my name is Tomás Freire. I'm going to present to you OPAK, exactly, which is pigment-free, cellulose-based ink manufacturer that is going to allow to explore some high white opacity applications where we say that transparent is the new white. So, as Afonso explained, and you all heard, titanium dioxide is one of the most used pigments in the ink industry to give white coloration to inks. And this ink industry then allows for the packaging and the printing industries to thrive and to use them on their different sectors. So pigments are highly durable, they offer high opacity and are resistant to color fading. However, they need to be mined, and this mining of pigments shows some environmental impacts, which is damaging the landscape and damaging and having an impact on the water and air quality. And also, people handling these kind of elements tend to get exposed to them and then develop some health complications. The majority of players that are mining these pigments are outside of Europe, so we expect to have some volatile pricing when acquiring these raw materials. And due to their durability, pigments are abrasive, which can make some wear on equipment since they are used daily to produce prints, and also clog and sediment on the equipment, leading to necessity to pause the production line, to maintenance, and to clean everything up. So, due to this abrasiveness behavior that pigments have, there are the need to search for solutions that are non-abrasive, that are non-toxic, more sustainable, and that still allow for this high white opacity that is conferred by the titanium dioxide. Also, this white pigment and white color is one of the most sought-after colors in the market, which is difficult to achieve because titanium dioxide is a great element that provides this whiteness to inks. So inks normally are composed of 4 components, normally, which are solvents, binders, pigments, and additives, and we, as OPAK, we offer a solution where you only use 2 of them, which are the solvents and the binders. And the binder being our cellulose derivative that we are using to confer to the ink white opacity. So our ink starts as a translucent ink. After applied and by solvent evaporation, we get a film that is highly opaque and comparable with other technologies. This works because while the solvent is evaporating, there is a grid of cellulose fibers that is formed, and with interaction with the light, we have this high opacity that is mostly desired on this kind of applications. Population is growing, and so the demand for new technologies that allow for this. And if we are addressing the European market, which is the most regulated one in terms of sustainability, as we all know, we have an addressable market of around 2 billion euros. Compared to our competitors, we are a pigment-free solution that is versatile for a lot of different printing techniques, and we offer also a reduction on the cost of production that we can leverage to then sell to consumers. Our business model follows a business-to-business approach, where OPAK is going to be handling the manufacturing of the inks themselves, and then distributed to retailers and printing shops that we are going to have a close relation because they are one of our most important clients. They're going to provide us feedback that we can then change the formulation to attend to their needs, and also direct sales by e-commerce. In terms of suppliers, we will need third-party suppliers to supply cellulose and the solvents that we need for our formulation. In terms of roadmap, we have 3 phases that we will do. In 2025, we are going to make the development of a proof of concept that we already have, and the patent filing that we are already applying for it, which will require 600K of investment. Then the second phase, pilot scale production and printing, to validate that these inks are good for the printing industry. And we are going to acquire some equipment to further leverage the next phase, which is phase 3 for large production, large scale printing, and some marketing ventures too, when we enter the market, to push the ink to have a successful return. And as you can see in numbers, we, OPAK, are aiming to enter the market in 2028 by addressing 0.5% of the European market. This percentage is related to Portuguese and Spanish market, which are, due to our geographic position, it's important because we are close to them. And after a 5-year period, we are going to reach 7% of the market, and continuously for the next years, we hopefully to achieve up to 20%, which is quite good. So the team behind this, it's Cristina, Mariana, and myself. We are from Alma Science. We have over a decade of experience on materials science, micronanotechnology, and also printing and ink development. Shameless plug for adds to stuff that I don't know where you are, because you have like problems and putting your solution on an ink. We can help you, so we can talk later about this thing. And as a wrap-up, OPAK is your pigment-free cellulose-based ink with high white opacity for your solutions. Thank you very much.